Hey there, welcome to Crazy Indians. Today we're diving into the world of mobile gaming with Flutter. Lena, how does Flutter make game development easier for developers?
Thanks, John. Flutter game development is indeed a game changer. With Flutter, developers can create natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single code base. This means they can write the game logic once and deploy it across multiple platforms, saving time and effort. Flutter's architecture is designed to handle high-performance graphics and gameplay, making it an excellent choice for developing games. The framework provides a rich set of widgets, tools, and APIs that simplify game development, such as support for gestures, animations, and graphics rendering. Moreover, Flutter's hot reload feature allows developers to see the changes they.
Lena, that sounds amazing, but what about performance? Can Flutter handle demanding games with heavy graphics and complex physics?
Excellent question, John. Yes, Flutter can definitely handle demanding games. Although it's primarily known for building UI-focused applications, Flutter's architecture is designed to handle high-performance graphics and gameplay. The framework uses Skia, a 2D graphics library, to render graphics, and it also supports hardware acceleration through OpenGL and Metal. This means Flutter games can take full advantage of the device's GPU, resulting in smooth and seamless gameplay. Additionally, Flutter provides tools like Flutter Engine, which is responsible for rendering and handling graphics, and the Flutter Renderer, which allows for custom rendering and optimization. These tools enable developers to fine-tune their.
I see, so Flutter has the potential to handle demanding games. Lena, can you tell us about some popular games built using Flutter?
Absolutely, John. There are some amazing games built using Flutter, and the community is growing rapidly. One popular example is Flutter Puzzle, a puzzle game that showcases Flutter's capabilities for game development. Another example is Dino Run, a simple yet addictive game that demonstrates how Flutter can handle graphics and animations. Then there's Aqueducts, a puzzle game that features complex graphics and physics, showing off Flutter's capabilities for more demanding games. These games, along with many others, demonstrate Flutter's potential for game development and showcase the framework's capabilities for creating engaging and interactive experiences. Flutter.
That's awesome, Lena. It's clear that Flutter has the potential to be a major player in the game development space. What advice would you give to developers looking to get?
Thanks, John. To developers looking to get started with Flutter game development, I'd say start by familiarizing yourself with the Flutter framework and its ecosystem. There are many resources available, including the official Flutter documentation, tutorials, and online courses. Once you have a good grasp of the basics, start experimenting with game development by building small projects, such as a simple puzzle game or a 2D platformer. As you gain experience and confidence, you can move on to more complex projects. It's also essential to stay up to date with the latest developments in Flutter game development by following the official Flutter.
Thanks for the advice, Lena. Before we wrap up, is there anything else you'd like to add about Flutter game development? Actually, I'd like to mention that the Flutter.
Thanks for the advice. Before we wrap up, is there anything else you'd like to add about Flutter game development? Actually, John, I'd like to mention that the Flutter community is very active and supportive, and there are many resources available for developers who want to get started with Flutter game development. Additionally, Google is continuously improving and expanding Flutter's capabilities, so we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the future. Thanks for having me, John. It's been a pleasure discussing Flutter game development with you.
Thanks, Lena. It's been great having you on the show. To our audience, thank you for tuning into this episode of Crazy Indians. If you'd like to learn more,
Thanks, it's been great having you on the show. To our audience, thank you for tuning into this episode of Crazy Indians. If you'd like to learn more about Flutter game development, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest episodes. Until next time, stay crazy and keep innovating.